Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. It's been a while since I've done a review for this flannel company, and they are by far, out of all the flannels I own, majority of them are this company, and that is Dixxon. And they did a release here recently that was for Autism Awareness, and it's called Not Your Typical Flannel. And I really dig the colors. But like I said, it's for Autism Awareness, and this is it here. I really like it. So we're going to go ahead and open it up here. I got it in a 3XL, and it's Not Your Typical. That is the name of the flannel. So we're going to go ahead and open this bad boy up here. And get rid of the jelly packet and little tags, the little pegs here that go on the shirts. I thought there was another, there it is. But yeah, this one here just screams moose. It's for a great cause. But that is it there. It's almost like, kind of like, you look at it, it's like, kind of like, makes your eyes wander. Like, kind of like you're looking at one of those pinwheels, like to make you dizzy, to hypnotize. That's kind of what this looks like, if you can't tell on the camera. Of course, you got the buttons in here that says Dixxon. Oh, this is a snap button. Huh, I'll be damned. All right, so it's snap button, which is cool, but it's called Dixxon Flannel, Not Your Typical. Of course, you got the little puzzle piece for the Autism Awareness. And, you know, my wife, she deals at school. That's what she does. She has kids with autism. I mean, most of them are highly functional, but that's why I got this. Was the main reason I got it, just to show support for the Autism Awareness. Because it's, I mean, I'll be honest, when I was younger, when I was in school, I mean, you look back and you kind of look at it like, okay, they had autism, you know, but it wasn't really a thing 40 years ago. And now it's actually able to be, you know, I mean, it's a lot. I mean, I don't remember this many back in school. Like I said, it wasn't really a thing, but you know, it's a problem we have, and we got to find an issue of why it's happening more than more. And that's what this Autism Awareness is. Hopefully it goes to research for autism and find out what's causing it to happen more often. But let's go ahead and show a close-up, and we're going to try it on. And here's a close-up of it, and those colors just pop. Looks really good. Really good cause. Got the Dixxon on the thing, and you got the autism logo. Well, he's the piece of the puzzle for it. 3XL, Not Your Typical. And there's that puzzle piece I was telling you about. Really cool. And this kind of hits home a little bit with what my wife does. But yeah, let's go and try this on now. So I have it on. This might be, let me put my mic on first. This might be my favorite Dixxon of all time. I really like the colors, not because of the cause it's for, where it hits home, but just the way it looks. I like, this might be my favorite Dixxon of all time. It is. I'm going to give this a 5.0. Let me go ahead and stand up, show you guys what it looks like. But wow, I love how this pops. This is definitely moose style. Yeah. This has me written all over it. Wow. Yep, out of the 300 or so Dixxon flannels that I have, this is number one. This is number one. It's pretty flannel. Pretty flannel. Great cause. Let me know what you guys think of this. This is great. I like this a lot. Yeah, this is the one. Good job, Dixxon. This is, I'm pretty sure these are sold out, but I love this. I love this a lot, man. This is great. Cheese and crackers. This is a good one. All right, everybody. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Reviews of Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see everybody next time. Thanks again for watching.